So I got the Galant hooked up, and hopefully we make it to our destination. What's up, guys? Happy Father's Day. I know this video is going to come out later on, but this is Father's Day, so I just want to say I'm having a crappy day so far. So the Galant broke down. I'm going to go ahead and try to pick up the Galant with the Outlander. I'm going to get a tow dolly from U-Haul and see if I can get the Galant onto it. Some reason it doesn't want to turn over, it cranks. But before then, it was driving totally fine. Then out of nowhere, I had no throttle response. When I gave it throttle, it was like sputtering, like nothing was happening. You know, I found a spot to pull off, and it wouldn't even go anywhere from idle. It would just basically idle itself. Then a second later, then it wouldn't even idle correctly. It gave me the indication that maybe it was running low on gas. You know, and my brother came along. I had my son with me in the back, so I just wanted to go out for a little drive, and my brother came along to help me out. He put some gas in and tried to crank it, and nothing. It's just dry cranking. It's cranking like there's no fuel in it. Sounds good. Compression sounds good. It could be off timing, don't know. But I always had an issue with the crank position sensor and the cam sensor. I did do the harness swap, so I know that the reluctor is different between the both gears, so that was always an issue. But the vehicle always started and ran. Sometimes it started hard, but for the most part, it started up and ran. I never had a no start issue. This is the first time that I'm driving it and it has a no start issue. So I'm heading down there to pick it up. Hopefully the Outlander does okay towing it. I won't tow it all the way back home just because I got hills where I live, so I'm just going to tow it to my brother's place. And from there on then, hopefully I can get there and make it there in one piece. Hopefully I don't have two vehicles that I got to call for a flatbed or something like that. And from there on then, I'm just going to start tearing it apart and start the double overhead cam swap that I wanted. I'm probably going to swap out the crank sensor while I'm there, and hopefully the Evo reluctor and all that, hopefully it gets rid of the codes, because I was getting a P0335 and a P0340, so I didn't even want to drive the vehicle for a while, but I started building up confidence, and now I'm regretting it, you know. So we'll cut and we'll see where we're at. So I got the trailer with me. Not sure if you can see that. So I'm going to pick up my brothers, and we're going to head out to get the Galant. Hopefully everything goes well. So I got the Galant hooked up, and hopefully we make it to our destination. This is the heaviest that I've towed with this. And in the one video I said I would tow a car if I needed to. If I was in a pinch, I would tow a vehicle if I was in a pinch. I thought about doing the two-wheel dollies, the tow dollies from U-Haul with a, single axle, dragging a vehicle like that. But this is one of those situations where I need to. I don't want to let it sit because I don't know if it'll get taken up from the state police. I've had that happen before. So, alright, let's get going on the road. Not too bad. It's pulling it actually pretty well. No issues. I thought it was going to be like a super heavy load, but it's handling it pretty well. So, I mean, we still haven't made it anywhere yet, so it's too soon. But we'll see. We'll cut back when we get to our destination. So I'm probably about 4 minutes into the drive, and it's doing pretty good. I mean, I'm taking my time starting off because it you do feel the weight initially starting off, and it just, I don't want to kill the tranny. I mean, I don't really know the limitations of the transmission, but from all the horror stories that people get, I won't be punching it from a start. So we got it back. Actually, we got it to my place. Actually, I just decided to say whatever. Let's do it. It went up the hills. We didn't go to any crazy hills or anything, but you can definitely feel the Galant right behind it. Like it was really tugging on it, and I even put it in gear. You know, I manually shifted it just so I can run the RPM up a little bit, because the automatic transmission likes to stay very low in the RPM if you're just giving it a little bit of power. So I just shifted manually, and now I just got to push it into the spot here. So yeah, I'm happy that I got it back. Hopefully I can start working on it, and I'll keep you guys up to date.